Managers, good afternoon. I made a post the other time about what people are supposed to learn in terms of AI or in terms of the emerging technology. See, the truth is that when you have grown in the industry and then God have helped you to reach the stage of a managerial position where you are a CEO, you're a manager, you are a lecturer, you are a HOD of a department, you are a HR, a head of department. At that level, you're no longer, your productivity does not just depend on what you can do. It depends on the shared responsibility of every other person that you're working with. And then you tracking this does not also depend on what you can do. So you really need to understand the power of numbers and how they influence productivity. Personal productivity and then overall productivity. I don't know if you get the point. So as a manager, if you're going to learn tech that can boost your managerial skill in terms of understanding what is going on, understanding the level of your productivity, understanding your level of influence and what is going on in your company in terms of numbers, you must have to learn data science. You have to learn AI prompt engineering, and then you need to learn data science. Prompt engineering alone can help you to leverage on AI to solve so many problems. In fact, many of the things that you're doing now in your office, there are several ways you can do it more better, more easier, if you understand the use of AI. And understanding the accurate application of AI to solve everyday managerial problem is what is in prompt engineering. I don't know if you get the point now. That is what is exactly what we call prompt engineering. Understanding what to tell AI to do for you, or the nomenclature of AI so that it can be able to solve your real-time problem. Now that is different. This is what I'm saying now is quite different, and there are a lot of AIs for different purposes. Like many of us, all we know is Gemini and ChatGPT. There are so many AI that is out there for different purposes, and you need to learn them, and you need to learn how you can use them to boost your productivity, or how you can use them to develop yourself. There's so many things you can do with AI. Then outside that, you need to learn data science, because data science helps you to understand the value of numbers. Helps you to see where the numbers go, what numbers influence, what affects what, cause and effects, why you are where you are in your business, and what next to do to get to where you want to be. All of those questions will be answered if you understand how data interplay or how data works. All right, how past record can influence today and how it can actually influence tomorrow. That is exactly what data science is all about. But you need to learn that experience, not just from your own data, from other people's data too. Are you getting the point? So that is just that about data science. So it is important that you plan to be part of our managerial class, our executive class, okay? So you are going to be learning management at a different level. You're going to be learning management at a tech level. As a CEO of a company, as an administrator, you're going to be learning managing people, managing resources at computer-powered level, at AI-powered level. So if you're coming to join us in the class, we have executive class for people who are coming here every time to join us. We also have classes for people who want to do their classes from the comfort of their offices or from the comfort of their houses. Or you can also have the privilege of us coming to your office to teach you, even though that will come at a cost. But we can come to your office, book your hours with you, and then we'll come to help you to look at this thing from a different, look at life and work from a different perspective altogether. It will be very, I can promise you one thing, it will shock you what you can do. It will shock you the level of what you can do given the power of AI and given the power of data. I'm telling you, it will shock you. If you're a lecturer in an university, for instance, it will shock you how you can actually influence your teaching or your teaching methodologies and your learning outcome using AI and then using data. There are so many questions that you're not asking, and that is why you are just there. Your students just just a routine for you to do the same thing and then have the same results, and there's nothing. You're just bored with the job. See, there are a lot of things that you can do. There are a lot of things that you can create, you can challenge yourself to do, given the power of AI. I don't know if you understand it. So if you really want to do it, you can call me on phone or chat me on the number on the screen, and then we'll start up from there. All right? All right. You have a wonderful time.